Miss the Shiba Inu presale in 2020? You don't want to miss this cheap one-cent token tagged as Ethereum's biggest ICO. The Shiba Inu presale in 2020 created significant wealth for early investors, turning an overlooked project into a household name. With the Shiba Inu presale price offering massive returns, it became one of the most talked about opportunities in crypto history. However, history is presenting another chance that must not be missed with WallitIQ, WLTQ. WallitIQ, WLTQ, is a cheap one-cent token currently in its presale at $0.0171. Built on Ethereum and backed by advanced AI features, it offers a more structured ecosystem than what Shiba Inu provided. With over $1 million in investments raised already. This ICO, tagged as Ethereum's biggest ICO, is gaining strong momentum and interest among both crypto veterans and newbies who are buying into the WallitIQ crypto presale now. Shiba Inu presale. What makes it different? The Shiba Inu presale relied heavily on hype and meme culture to draw attention. While it worked as a trendsetter, it lacked the functional ecosystem that serious investors now look for. WallitIQ, on the other hand, offers practical tools and a cheap one-cent token investment opportunity. WallitIQ operates on Ethereum, which makes sure that its smart contracts are secure. Additionally, WallitIQ has undergone a thorough solid proof audit, further reassuring investors of its reliability. The current $0.0171 price of WallitIQ's token provides accessibility to those looking for a high-potential investment, making it ideal for those seeking affordable growth opportunities, like a cheap one-cent token in the cryptocurrency space. Furthermore, the WallitIQ ecosystem offers features like biometric authentication, real-time analytics, and portfolio tracking tools. This positions it as a robust platform for new and experienced crypto users who are acting quickly and buying the WallitIQ, WLTQ tokens. WallitIQ also provides strong protection for users' assets through its audited Ethereum-backed smart contracts. Biometric and facial authentication also reduces the vulnerabilities common in traditional crypto wallets. Holders of the WallitIQ, WLTQ, cheap one-cent token will also benefit from high annual staking rewards of up to 180%. These staking opportunities allow investors to grow their holdings over time, which makes the ongoing Ethereum-based WallitIQ ICO an unmissable investment opportunity that surpasses the Shiba Inu presale. Furthermore, the WallitIQ wallet includes portfolio management features to help users monitor performance in real time. Tools for automated portfolio rebalancing provide additional utility for investors. WallitIQ supports decentralized cryptocurrency trading, allowing transactions without relying on third-party services. Why WallitIQ stands out in the ICO market. WallitIQ has gained significant attention for its affordable presale price, strong ecosystem, and AI-powered features. The Ethereum Foundation assures reliability and scalability, making it a standout ICO in 2024. With over $1 million raised so far, WallitIQ has attracted a diverse group of investors, with more investments coming in. As a cheap one-cent token with a strong focus on security, portfolio management, and trading functionalities, WallitIQ offers a distinct advantage over previous ICOs like the Shiba Inu, SHIB presale. To join the savvy investors who are now taking advantage of the WLTQ ICO like the 2020 Shiba Inu presale, head to the official WallitIQ website to secure its low-priced tokens at $0.0171 while its supplies last. WallitIQ provides a clear opportunity for those looking to participate in a next-generation cryptocurrency project. Investing early in this ongoing is set to yield massive price gains for investors. Conclusion. With WallitIQ's token currently priced at $0.0171, investors are diving into its first pre-sale stage to avoid missing out on potential price surge. For investors who failed to benefit from the Shiba Inu presale in 2020, the WallitIQ Ethereum-backed ICO offers another chance to potentially make million-dollar gains. Visit the WallitIQ crypto presale page now and invest in the cheap 1 cent token to join the revolution in cryptocurrency technology with WallitIQ.